Well, here's the third CP36. This one is the oldest one. Well, this and this one are from April of 2001. Like I said, this one's from August of 2001. This is the oldest one and probably the nicest one out of all of them. It's in good cosmetic shape and good mechanical shape. A bit of scratches there, I could remove that, but other than that, it's pretty nice. Those blades are from the one from 2020 version, 2020. So that's why it looks really nice. The gold stripe is not original. No, yeah, this one, because this one was not really like lined up properly. Even still, it's not super lined up, but it was worse. But without further ado, here's hi. We'll stop this first. Yeah, it's still a bit kind of, but it used to be worse than that. It flies right up to speed. It's really good about there. Here's that. Alright, I should give you from the stair. Here's medium high. That's a bit tough. I guess I should do a view from under. This one, the speeds are much faster. The bearings are really good on this one. So that's why I'm gonna keep this one too. And it looks in good shape. And blows are good there. Medium low. Yeah, I got this fan with, well, all the ones from 2001 came from that seller with 6-setter fans. And here's low. Yeah, this is like the Olympic Stadium speed. Kind of like this one. I ran in like this one. I ran in like all night. I haven't turned it off since like yesterday. The speed is pretty fast compared to the other ones. This one is really fast. There's a gold line, 4 seasons. This one, yeah, like I said, this one's probably like the nicest one in mechanical and probably cosmetic. There's off. Yeah, I use just a regular glue stick. I just use this like a school glue stick, which actually kind of worked. I'm like, there's only a little piece of there, or like piece of scratch there. But it's like really glossy. You can see the other fans. And I could show you the top of the motor of this fan. Yeah, there's a good old price tag, or like, yeah, I guess the price tag. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this fan.